Welcome to You Can Do It. We're doing the engine rebuild or refresh on a Mini N14 engine, Cooper S. So we've got the head off. So I'm generally making videos. I'm making videos about this rebuild, but also videos that that aren't covered by the internet, or there aren't very many ones out on the internet. I have a little difficulty when looking at this, trying to plan for it to see exactly taking the injectors out and everything. So I thought I'd do this quick video about how to take the injectors out on your Mini. So if you've got the head on here, obviously I've taken the head off, which I'll show you in a second. But you'll be doing this all down the back, and you just need to take the inlet manifold off. But lots of videos about how to do that. In fact, I think I might have one myself. But this is the head off. I've taken the head off. Now I've taken this head off with the injectors already in it. Yeah. But just to let people know, obviously this head needs completely good, but the injectors are here on this side, on the inlet side, obviously. And they're squirting fuel out like that. Yeah. You don't want to be doing any work in here cleaning up and anything with the injectors in, because you'll damage those nozzles, and these are really, really expensive. So we need to take this out. So this is your rail. So let me turn this head up. Now that you can see in that, let me turn the head up so you'd see how it would be in the car. So this is as you come to the engine. That's the exhaust manifold and your turbo here. So you've taken your cover off. So you'd normally have your vacuum pump here, your high pressure fuel pump here. Now you've got your low pressure feed from your rear pump in the tank, and this is the high pressure outlet. So this is your high pressure feed that goes into your rail. Now when you're looking down here on the engine, you see this is the sort of view you've got. So you've just got this here. Now from here you can't see the bolts that hold that in. Now in order to even get to this bit, you've got to get that manifold away or out. I mean, I personally prefer to take the manifold completely out, and then you can see what you're doing here. Not a problem. Okay, so from this point, just so you can see what you're doing, I'm going to actually turn the head around, and we'll show how you take this out. So now we're looking at the back, as if you're looking down here now. So if you have a look here, look, you can see you've got some torque bits. 1, 2, 3, 4 torque bolts. It's a T T45 bit you need for there. So I'm just going to undo those 4 now and take those bolts out. 4 bolts are out. Now, again, on the internet, you don't actually know, is that an easy pull out or not? So now we're going to see if that's an easy just pull out, or if you need to actually use some leverage on that. So let's see. I'll see if I can pull it out. Oh, unbelievably, I thought that being there really tight. Oh, they come right out. Oh. Oh yeah, now be very careful with that. Do not drop it. There. There are your 4 injectors on your manifold there, look. They are looking a bit dirty. So maybe run some injector cleaner through that when we rebuild it. Okay, so I'm going to clean them up with a rag. But hopefully that's helped someone. I just put that there. Hopefully that's helped someone. Just to know now, because I don't know what other people are like, but I like to go through the whole project in my head, working out what I need and doing it before I've actually done it. So look, we've got all the injector ports there. So they literally just go in there like that. You'd have thought that would have blown past. But anyway, so I'll clean all this up. But anyway, that's it. So they're they go in there quite loosely. So you put them in there, bolt them up there, job done. So hope that's helped someone plan ahead, or at least know what they're going to do. If you like the channel, subscribe. And just remember, you can do it. See you on the next video.